Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Tiger Corporation JBV-A10U-W 5.5-Cup Micom rice cooker with food steamer and slow cooker, white. Syncro-cooking function tacook makes it possible to cook main dish and rice at the same time. One push operation. Dimensions: inches, W 10.6x D 13.9x H 8.4. 4 cooking menu settings: Synchrony-cooking, plain rice, brown rice, slow cooking. Easy to clean non-stick coating inner pan. Includes non-stick spatula, cooking plate, measuring cup and cookbook for using Synchrony-cooking function. Note: please ensure to measure rice in the cup that comes along with the product only. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.